Have you always wanted to learn how to show your work? Well, follow my 10 math commandments, which is, thou shalt show all thy work. And if you want to learn more, go to my math website, mrmathsang.net. Thank you.
If you only ever do the bare minimum, don't expect anything but bare minimum results, says this guy, JJ Watt. This is the grid view, including everything you need to know about Khan Academy. Mr. Frank, it's that time.
It's time for game plans.
Week 12, April 1st, April 5th, 2024. We are doing SBAC preparation. Students will be able to review the 11th grade Common Core math material on their SBAC packets. SBAC just stands for Smarter Balance Assessment Consortium. Basically, it's a test, a state standardized test. Hey, sense of urgency here. Your fourth quarter progress reports, if you want anything to count, will be due in this class. April 16th is a Tuesday by 3:30 with late payment. So in this class, if you turn in work after the due date, after I grade it, then you have to have some kind of late payment, which is normally in multiplication tables. We are on the 6th day of the fourth quarter. There are only 38 days left of school. How amazing, how fast that has gone. Third quarter, we're 13.6% done. The second semester, we are 58% done, and we are 78% done with the school year. Hey, if you wanted to turn on the switch to hurry and pass the class, it's time is to do it now. You can pass the class with a 45%, or you know what, just stay away with it, go way higher. Don't go close to the 45%. And hey, there's only 8 more weeks until school's over. So keep away from that danger zone of less than 45%. Hey, is your Chromebook having some issues? They have some tech time. Next Khan Academy check is April 30th, and I want you to pay attention. This is the second to last Khan Academy check, so let's pretend you're not quite sure. So you can go back up here, slide number 2. This will show you all the details for Khan Academy. How to sign up if you still haven't signed up. Counting your Khan Academy minutes. I'll give you some tips here. And then here are the due dates. And I wanted to show you one is, 2 weeks into May, you're going to have get another 60 minutes. Your goal is to have 300 minutes since the beginning of the second semester, which I think was like January 8th or 9th. So some of you guys already finished. Good job. Remember, you don't get to count minutes from first semester. And the reason why it's only 2 weeks into May is because my seniors have to finish their grades a little bit early. Let's go to our week at a glance. We'll be reviewing Common Core. This is what we did before spring break. We started on packet 3.4. We're going to pause on those for a second, and I want to highlight we did take a quiz. Rough sketches, factoring, and solving. If you have not taken that, that is due this Tuesday. Take it or forever 0. You want that feedback. And so this is what we're doing this week, but let me go back to a big picture overview. In April, we're going to be doing test prep for a whole week. Why test prep? Because the week of April 8th, you're going to be taking the Common Core SBAC test. It's weird, in your history classes. And what are we doing during our class? I don't want to burn your brain of math, just want it to be a little bit lighter. So that week you'll be able to work on your projects, and I've changed your project due date to the 12th. Bring your Chromebook charged every day. Can't use your Bluetooth headphones on your Chromebooks, as you know, or it's difficult when multiple people are signing in. And when you take the Common Core test, SBAC, you have to use wired headphones. So bring those. So how do we review for the tests? Well, I'm going to show you, and then we'll pick up on 3.4, 3.5 after test. So this week, I'm going to be giving you guys, there's 3 things I'm going to collect on Friday. The SBAC packet, I'm going to break it up. There are 28 questions, and you only have to complete 15. What does that mean? 15 problems with corrections. You can click on this video. It's a short video. You don't have to watch it once a year. Watch it. And then I provide video solutions of the SBAC packet. But if you do not include corrections, you automatically lose 600 points. So in each of these buckets, so Monday we're going to do questions 1 to 9, you only have to do 5. 5 in 1 to 9, 5 questions in 10 to 19, and 5 in 20 to 28 with corrections. If you do a multiple choice question, make sure you show some work, put your answer, and explain why you did it. Now, if you kind of just circle answers, I will give you only 1,200 points for the whole packet, for the SBAC packet. So that's part 1 of 3. Part 2 is we're going to take a live in class. We're going to play a Kahoot, and you'll be able to write out your answers and then play the Kahoot and see how you do with your class, and you'll have to do corrections on that. And then we'll play a quiz is game, so bring your Chromebooks. And then the SBAC packet is due on Friday at 3:30. A couple other things again is that your quiz is due Tuesday if you have not taken that from spring break, and Wednesday you're going to have a sub, so be on your best behavior. How do we do these SBAC packets? I'll give you guys 15 minutes to work by yourself, and then 15 minutes to work in a group of 4 or in pairs, and then the last 15 minutes of class I'll tell you to take out your Chromebooks and look at the video solutions. And that's all I have for you guys. Don't give the minimum, give the maximum. We'll see you guys later. Bye.
Why was algebra so easy for the Romans? Because x was always 10.